Welcome back to Scrively. In this tutorial, we'll learn more about editing your book's back cover. To move your text box, click and drag it to position it where you'd like. You can also use the handles around the text box to increase or decrease its size. You'll see formatting options similar to the front cover, including adjusting your font size, increasing or decreasing the text size, bolding, and other text formatting options. Below your text, you'll see your characters. You can click to drag them to position them on the page. Use the expand and collapse handle in the bottom right corner to increase or decrease their size, and click on delete on your keyboard to remove them. Go to the back cover settings. You'll see all available characters that can be added to your canvas. If a character is already on the canvas, you'll see that indicated when you hover over the plus icon. Once you add a character back to the canvas, they will appear on the back cover. To add a custom image, provide Scrively with a prompt describing exactly what you'd like to appear on your back cover. When you're ready, click Generate and give Scrively a few moments to create your image. Your newly generated image will appear directly on your back cover. You can also return to the back cover settings to upload your own image instead, or remove a generated image if needed. Additional customization options include expanding and collapsing the text field, adjusting your background opacity, and adding a custom border color at the very bottom of your back cover. Choose from the available colors or use the custom color picker to create your own. You can also reset the border back to auto or restore the back cover to its default settings. That's it. You're all done customizing your book's back cover. Join us in our next tutorials where we'll continue exploring more ways to customize your book in Scrively.